because I've seen it so many times. Like I would do it and have an inspection, and I wouldn't do it myself because I would look biased or whatever. I'd get it inspected, and I would just put that in the car.
You always want to make sure to check the DOT on the tires. Like 2017, technically, if any tires are older than 6 years, they're deemed to be unsafe to drive. Even if they have tread, like these have 4 millimeters of tread, which isn't terrible. They're definitely getting low, but we can't say they're safe to drive on just because they're 6 years old. Technically, it could have a blowout. They're just like, they kind of dry rot, as you see, like there's just all these cracks inside of here. It's just, the manufacturer will say after 6 years, the tire's unsafe to drive. These drive shafts, these rubber flex discs, just to make sure they don't have any severe cracking. There's always one at the front and one at the rear. Just because if it has any severe cracking and say it were to let go, this thing spins at average like 3,000 RPM going down the road. That comes off, it's gonna come down. It's a bad day. You don't want to be in the car when that happens or near it.
That's old serpentine belt. We could say it lost a belt in its life. Not unfixable, just not really well maintained, I'd say. It might have gone a couple belts in its life.
They go over a curve.
I mean, I definitely see those magnets, those cam magnets for sure. Because like this makes me nervous, that line right there. Like this thing will just continue to throw belts if you don't fix the oil leak. Mounts, yeah, your engine mounts are popped. You know, we got pictures, right? So he can see all the pictures of the bottom. You know, we all don't have lifts at our house, so he can't lift it up and see it like this. I like when I get to show people their underneath their car. I've probably never seen it underneath their car. Is he? Yeah, if he's here, let's get him then. How you doing? I'm Tyler.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Okay, so there's a big oil leak, all right? Okay. And we just wanted to show you. Did you purchase this already?
No.
Not. Okay, good. So it's covered in oil, okay? But we definitely know there's two, what is it? Cam magnets and valve covers. So there's two separate things up top, on the top of the motor that are leaking down.
Gotcha.
And then it's just running out. The oil leak it damages the suspension rubber.
Okay.
I wouldn't fix the suspension until you fix the oil leaks, because otherwise we'll put new bushings in here and the oil will destroy them right away, right?
Gotcha.
This, right? So this is a sign that it's lost a belt in its life. So the serpentine belt, because of oil, it swelled up and it threw it off, right?
Gotcha.
So they put a new belt on, right? But